Hi. Oh, what on earth was that?
All the chickens.
What's up, Buttercup? All right, very good. Hi, look at your interesting eyes. Mr. Bunny. Guys, they're super cute. I'm trying to figure out which one. Oh, and you too. Peace, dude. Hello, good day.
Are we gonna feed one?
Look at the camera.
You cute. Hi. Oh.
Little ones.
Good to see you. I will.
Where's the other one?
It's on the back side. It's white